So not only is this a really cheap thing to make and feed the family, there's quite a lot there, it's absolutely delicious. Today we're going to make this cabbage, eggs and tuna, or canned tuna. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, look, I've got 4 eggs here, 2 cups of onion, 1 cup of bell pepper. That's optional. I mean, you could put corn in if you want, or some other different vegetable. 1 cup of tuna. That's in the oil, and I'm keeping the oil. I'm not going to drain it off. I think the oil is better than the water, but that's your shout. 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now, of course, we're going to be using some white cabbage. I'll show you that right now. So I've got some white cabbage. I think there's about, let's just do that in cups. There's probably 7 or 8 cups worth there. You can, play around with that bit. Let's get to the cooker. So you're gonna need a kind of wokky thing or a kind of frying pan, skillet. In there, I've got like 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're gonna start off by dropping in the 2 cups of onion. We're on and above medium heat. I'm gonna add some salt and black pepper. Gonna get that optional vegetable in. Like I said, I'm using bell pepper today. Think about mushrooms, corn, zucchini, anything you like really. Okay, about 3 or 4 minutes. See you then. See you then. Just a quick one. I said 4 eggs, but there's 5 yolks in there, but it is actually 4 eggs. We've got a double one there. Just gonna give them a little beat. Fabulous. Let's get that garlic in there. Tablespoon of garlic. Let's go with a couple of teaspoons of cumin and chili powder. Now that's what I'm using, but you can switch that around to something else, some basil, oregano, just anything goes really. That's just the vibes that I'm going with. I like that in there. And then we're going to go with our cabbage. White cabbage, shredded that up. Now if you wanted to get some celery in here, some carrots maybe, bulk it out as much as you like. We're going to go for about 5 or 6 minutes on this above medium heat, stir frying this around in the pan. So this has still got a little bit of a crunch on it. You can cook it further if you want, get it really cooked down, but I'm happy there. We're now going to drop in that can of tuna. And the 4 eggs, or 4 or 5 eggs. And I like my eggs fairly well done. Keep it on this above medium heat. Keep it moving now, about 3 minutes or until you're happy with your eggs. And you've done it. It's absolutely delicious, cheap, easy, and super tasty. Job done, real easy. Like I say, anything goes here. Get some fresh chili in there, run some parsley or some cilantro through that. It all works, it's cheap, it's delicious, it's tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.